Today I'm going to show you how I made this miniature outdoor setting. First I'll show you how I made the chair. These are the pieces for the seat, the backrest, and the legs. I used two types of coffee stirrers. Firstly, the thick one is for the horizontal pieces, and the thin one is for the structure and the legs. After cutting all the pieces to size, I sanded the edges with fine sandpaper. I glued the structural pieces to the horizontal pieces for both the seat and the backrest. Glue the seat to the backrest and then use something to hold it in place until it dries. Glue the legs together and then onto the side of the seat. Cut a piece of toothpick as a brace between the two legs. Once all the glue is dry, I cut the legs so that they were all the same length and flat to the ground, and then I sanded off any edges. Finally, coat the whole chair in clear varnish. Now, how I made the table. For the tabletop, I used a round piece of wood from the craft store. I traced around the circle onto coffee stirrers and then cut them out. Glue the coffee stirrers onto the wood, leaving a little gap in between each one. Put something heavy on top while they dry. Use a craft knife to cut off any coffee stirrers that are over the edge. Sand the edges using coarse and then fine sandpaper. To make the structure for the legs, I made two crosses out of toothpicks. I cut thick barbecue skewers for the legs. I joined the two crosses together with another toothpick and then put this on top of masking tape to hold it in place while I glue the legs on. Once the glue is dry, I painted the entire thing with grey paint. Lastly, glue the legs onto the tabletop. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe.